Hey everyone, need to share your Canva design with someone else. Whether you're collaborating with teammates, sending a project to a client, or sharing a presentation with friends, Canva offers several easy ways to do it. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to share Canva designs step by step. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Canva account and open the design you want to share. Make sure your latest changes have been saved before sending it to others. Next, click the Share button in the upper right corner of the editor. This opens Canva's sharing menu, where you can invite people, generate a link, or choose other sharing options. If you want to collaborate with specific people, enter their email addresses in the invitation field, then choose whether they can edit the design, comment on it, or only view it. Assigning the right permission helps protect your project while allowing others to contribute. You can also generate a shareable link. Before copying it, check the link permissions to decide whether anyone with the link can view, comment, or edit the design. It's always a good idea to review these settings before sharing publicly. Depending on your design type, Canva may also let you present your project, publish it to social media, create a public view link, or send it directly to supported platforms. The options you see may vary based on your account and the type of design you're working on. Finally, verify that the people you've shared the design with have the correct access. If needed, you can return to the Share menu at any time to update permissions or remove access. And that's how to share Canva designs. Whether you're working with teammates, clients, or friends, Canva makes collaboration simple with flexible sharing and permission controls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.